Introducing the 2021 Hyundai Tucson ix35 Executive 2WD in sleek black. This diesel manual MPV is the perfect combination of style and functionality. With a 1.6-litre engine, this vehicle is both powerful and efficient. Packed with comfort and safety features, including ambient lighting, cruise control, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit windsor.ie for more information and to schedule a test drive. Upgrade your driving experience today.